The Twippo waterproof wire connectors kit combines a large assortment of multi-pin plugs with a matching crimping tool, making it a complete solution for automotive wiring projects. Connectors are molded from durable, weather-resistant plastics and use plated copper terminals, so they hold up well against moisture, vibration, and corrosion in harsh environments. The pin housings and locking tabs give a firm, positive click when mated, which helps prevent accidental disconnects while still allowing quick service when you need to pull a connection apart. With pin options ranging from single to six-way, the kit works well for everything from simple lighting circuits to more complex harness repairs on cars, motorcycles, boats, and off-road vehicles. The included ratcheting crimper delivers consistent, factory-style open-barrel crimps on compatible wire sizes, which greatly reduces intermittent faults caused by poor terminations. An electronic manual and clearly organized assortment box make it easier for do-it-yourself users to choose the right connector and get professional-looking results without specialized training.